Devotion is a quality of a being, no? It cannot be developed. There are type of people, no? There are type of people who are very active. So that's why in East, in our culture, we have different yoga, we call it different paths. The people who are very active, for them is a karma yoga, karma yogi. No? They will become enlightened by their selfless service. They cannot meditate, they cannot do arti, they cannot sing song. No? It is not their type. No? Their type is service, selfless service. There are people who are, there is a Sankhya Yoga, very intelligent people, matured people. Just listening to Osho, reading Osho is enough for them. Like Ashtavakra and Janak. Janak became enlightened. You might have heard this story. The Janak was a king in Nepal and he was waiting for his enlightenment, and he had many gurus and asking questions and doing all sorts of yoga and meditation, but it was not happening. When he met Ashtavakra was only 12-year-old, an enlightened being, and his body was also very much not in shape. No, he has many problems in his body. He could not walk, and he was crippled. But he asked Janak, when he entered into the Janak's palace, everybody started laughing because he was crippled and he was walking in different way. His body was a matter of laughter. No? People started laughing. So he also laughed. Then the Janak king was surprised. He said that these people are laughing at you because your body is crooked. But why you are laughing? You should feel ashamed. You should feel humiliated. No, the Ashtavakra replied that no, I am laughing because they are all shoemakers, they are chamar. They only can see my skin. They cannot see my consciousness. I am the most elevated consciousness in this darbar, and people are laughing at me, so I am laughing at their ignorance. It's a very interesting story. So ultimately the Raja Janak, King Janak, asked him, he was very surprised, he could not sleep that night. Next day he went to the house where Ashtavakra was living and asked this question that I could not sleep last night by your answer. And tell me, how can I have vairagya? How can I become enlightened? How can I have a jnana? Jnana, vairagya, freedom. And Ashtavakra gave him a small sermon, not a small sermon, just 20 sentences. He said 20 sutra. It might have taken 5 minutes in 20 sutra. And within 5 minutes, Janak became enlightened, just listening to Ashtavakra. So there are a type of people who don't need meditation, who don't need devotion, who don't need yoga. For them, just listening to Osho is more than enough. No? But everybody is not that type. So that's why in our culture, the people who are so intelligent and so receptive are called Sankhya Yogi. Those who are very active, they cannot sit silently. Active people full of rajas, if you tell them to sit silently for meditation, it's very difficult. They have to do all the time something to create a commune or make a meditation hall or a jorva. They cannot. I am that type. One of that type. I suffer. I cannot sit silently. No, I have to do some upadrap everywhere. Opening new centers. Even if the center I have to add more rooms or extend my meditation hall. No? So this is active type of people. They cannot sit silently in meditation. For them, it's okay. They should be active. The type of people who are devotee, no? Meera type of people. If you ask Meera to dynamic meditation, you will damage her. Dynamic is Kundalini is not for her. Arati, singing, dancing is enough. So there are different type of people. Devotion, you cannot make people devotee. No? That's why when I do arti, I do lot of singing and dancing every evening. And I'm criticized. All over India, people criticize me that Arun has made Osho a Hindu god. Because Hindu do arti. Why you are doing arti? Because they can't understand the language of love. They can't understand the feeling. So there are type of people, and that's why a meditator should be very broad-minded. Never judge people by your own understanding. You may not understand his way, but there are different ways. There are karma yogi, there are dhyana yogi, there are sankhya yogi, there are bhakta yogi. So in Gita, that's why Sri Krishna has said about these different paths. People can become enlightened by service, by meditation, by following Patanjali, by doing yoga, by doing Krishna. And people, there are type of people who can be like Krishnamurti. He was against meditation. He was against commune. He was against devotion. He was a modern Ashtavakra. He was also right. So we should be very broad-minded, and we should understand that there are different type of people and not two people are alike. So don't teach your type to others. Try to understand their conditioning.